Common Kimi K3 AI mistakes to avoid. The first is using vague prompt. Most people just give it vague prompt like, hey, describe me this, and it's like the most vaguest prompt. So make sure to explain whatever you're asking in the most clear and specific way so Kimi K3 AI can understand what you're asking and give you a specific and clear answer. And skipping context. Make sure to include relevant detail for a better answer. Don't think like the AI will understand the question perfectly without you providing it important context. So make sure to provide important context. And trusting every response blindly. You need to check or fact check everything perfectly. Sometimes AI gives you wrong answer. AI is not correct 100% of the time. And Kimi K3 AI is also not correct 100% of the time. So make sure to check that as well. And ignoring follow-up prompt. To get a refined answer, you need to refine the questions. So you ask a first question, you get the answer. You don't like the answer, you tell it, I don't like the answer because of this, this, and this. So give me another answer with these points included. So make sure to refine your answers and you will get the better one. Not using file uploads. You can click on the plus button over here on the chat and upload anything you want, right? So if you have a file, a document, you can upload that and it can scan it and it can give you better answer with all the data which you have provided as well. So make sure to use that as well. So these are the common Kimi K3 AI mistakes to avoid. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.